Hello world! Welcome to week 11 of our weekly dev challenges. My name is Ronald. Last week for week 10, we saw a number of submissions for our squirrel eating challenge. If you haven't attempted it or you haven't watched our critique video, please go do so as we go into a little bit of detail on the nice solutions that some of you guys submitted. So, week 11 will be our last dev challenge for season 4 of Game of Apps. We've had a lot of fun and we've had a lot of interesting submissions from everybody, so I hope that everyone has had a great time and hope that they felt that they grew as a developer. Okay, on to today's challenge. So this week's challenge is another string manipulation problem. So we have a input string and a input limit integer. So for each string, you want to remove any substrings that are equal to the number of limit characters that are in the row. After each substring is removed, you want to check if the new shortened string has created more substrings that match the limit. So let's go into a couple examples because I feel like that illustrates the challenge a little bit better. So input string ABCD with the limit of 3. The output is again ABCD. There are no removals here because nowhere is there 3 of the same character in a row. Next example. C, 2 A's, 2 B's, and a C with the limit 2. For this one, as you remove the 2 A's and the 2 B's, the result is the string gets concatenated and the 2 C's get formed. So you remove the 2 C's as well. Okay, example 3. 2 A's, 3 B's, and another A. So we remove the triple B's immediately, and that results in the triple A's being formed as well. So as a result, you remove that just like you did in example 2. Now finally, our last example is similar to example 2, but with one of the letters flipped. So now we have 2 A's, 1 B, another A, and then another 2 B's with the limit still being 3. So the output becomes 2 A's, 1 B, A, and 2 B's again. There's no substring that matches 3 of any characters in a row, so nothing is removed. I really liked this problem when I tried it because it has a pretty simple solution once you understand it. So I'm going to leave you with 2 hints on how to solve this problem in the best way possible. The first is to investigate stacks. We didn't really go through stacks too much in Game of Apps, so take a look at that through some Googling and see what you can find. The hint number 2 is to use a hash in combination with that stack. So we went through hashes in Game of Apps. A lot of you are familiar with this concept, so now it's about putting those 2 pieces together to form the solution. Now there might be other solutions out there, but those are the 2 hints that I used to get to my solution. So, with that being said, good luck on this very last problem for season 4. If you spot any errors, if you have any questions, as usual, let us know in Slack. We'll be sure to answer them. Okay? And good luck with your final projects. I'm sure the pressure is on for you devs, so all the best. The hard work will pay off. Okay? Good luck, have fun, And if we don't speak before then, we'll see you at the finals.